So are you suffering from pain and inflammation in your joints? And are you suffering from muscle spasms? Then you've clicked on the right video, because today I'm going to be sharing a medicinal herb that has been used for hundreds of years in traditional folklore medicine to treat these things. And this herb is also used across various cultures to treat a myriad of health issues, some of which I'll be sharing today. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, you are now looking at a medicinal plant by the name of Cowfoot herb, also called Cowfoot Leaf Herb, here in Jamaica, as well as in other parts of the world. And the scientific name for this plant is piperumbellatum. Cowfoot leaf is native to South America, but it grows in a lot of continents. So you'll find it in places like Africa, Asia, Oceania, and other parts of the Americas. In Jamaica, you can find it growing organically and wildly, mostly in forests, but you can also find it growing in other green spaces as well. As you can see, cowfoot leaf is erect, somewhat woody, and it can grow to about 2 meters tall. Look at the size of this leaf. It's humongous, and it's also heart-shaped, kind of resembling a hoof. No wonder the plant was given the name cowfoot leaf. These are the fruits of the plant, and when I was a child, I used to pick them and stick them into my mouth and pretend that they were cigarettes. Cowfoot leaf is said to have very powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, especially as it relates to joint pain and muscle spasms. In fact, it is regarded as one of the top medicinal plants, if not the #1 plant in that regard. And it is commonly used in traditional folklore medicine to combat these health problems. And this is usually done by pulverizing and macerating the plant material and then applying it to the affected area. Then a plastic wrap is used to wrap the area overnight, which is said to bring relief in as little as 30 minutes or less. In other parts of the world, persons use an infusion of the leaves or a decoction of the roots to treat a whole lot of health issues. For example, jaundice, malaria, urinary problems, constipation, syphilis, gonorrhea, stomach aches, and migraine. And a decoction is also used as a wash to treat fever in children as well. And in some cultures, persons soak the root in alcohol for a period of time. So they basically make a tincture which is applied to the affected area to treat joint pain as well. And in some parts of Africa, women also take the juice to increase the flow of their breast milk if they're having problems with nursing their young. And in other cultures, persons use the fruits, leaves, and the roots to treat rheumatism as well as inflammatory tumors. And the fruits are chewed with betel leaf, and this is said to help with coughs in some cultures as well. In the Philippines, they apply the leaves to abscesses, which is said to help to burst them. And the juice of the leaves are also applied to the eyes for conjunctivitis as well. In some parts of Africa, the plant is used as a poultice for swellings, burns, and boils as well. And women who are having menstrual problems will use the plant to stimulate menstrual flow. In the Cameroon, persons use the plant to treat toothaches and to control diabetes as well as hypertension. Women who have issues with carrying their pregnancies to full term also use the leaves of the plant to prevent abortions in other cultures as well. The juice is also used by some persons as ear drops for earaches as well. And in several cultures, persons also use the plant to expel tapeworms as well. Medical disclaimer. The information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.